Oh my God! Today your birthday? Happy birthday to you! Happy birthday to you!
Happy birthday, Mama Jason. I love you.
Your Lola.
Mama.
Tsaka Tito Happy birthday, Estong and Mama.
Happy birthday, Mama. And Estong.
Good health and more birthdays to come. Matthew, ikaw.
Bati mo.
Good day,
Lola.
Lula,
And Tito Jason.
Tita Jason.
Happy
I love
birthday,
you.
Jason.
Happy birthday, Mama and Moms. Wish you all the best. Enjoy your day. More candles to blow. And we love you so much.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to you.
Pigi bagat dede, kuguyaga, tsaga, kaga, pigi taga.
Kagad plagis. Sagay ginagong. Tigalaga waga. Wagad ingi iginagat kigayago. Pagalaga gigi. Wagad kigayago. Kugumaga iginagang bagawagal. Pagaraga. Tiguligib. Tagalogong lagay. Tagabyugo.
Happy birthday, Mama and Kuya. Thank you for your love, support, and care. I wish you two to have a good health and receive more blessings. Mahal ko kayo.
Happy birthday, Lola and Tita. Wishing you good health and long life. We love you.
Happy birthday, Mari. God bless and good health always. May kasabay ka naman dyan. Iba ko ko dyan. Happy birthday, Jason. Good health and always. Okay na. Patake na nga. Namiss ka na. Happy birthday, mo.
Wishes po sa inyo, Jason, Tita. Happy birthday po sa inyo. Sana po masaya kayo sa araw na ito.
Happy birthday, Ate Glenn, Jason. Ang wish ko sa inyo, more birthdays to come. Mabuhay kayo hanggat gusto nyo. Joe. Happy birthday uli. I love you.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday sa iyo, sis. Laki na ng Facebook. Yeah, love you.
Happy birthday, sis. Enjoy life. Love you.
Happy birthday, mother and son. Hope we have a very happy day and hope to see you again next year and many more years to come.